Welcome to the Echoboard Calendar and Booking walkthrough. In this guide, we'll set up your calendar from scratch, go through every setting one by one, and finish by making a real booking exactly the way your client would see it. Start in the calendar page from the left sidebar. In the top right, you can switch between day, week, and month views. Week view is the default and shows your whole team's schedule at a glance. Underneath, these toggles control what appears on the calendar: internal events, client bookings, appointments, and task due dates. Turn any of them off to focus on just one type of item. The calendar picker beside them lets you view a single team member's calendar instead of everyone's. The toolbar across the top is where all of the setup lives. From left to right, the gear opens calendar settings, sync calendars shares calendars with another organization, contacts stores the people you meet with, services defines what clients can book, my availability sets your working hours, and bookings lists every request that comes in. Let's open calendar settings and work through each tab. Display controls how the calendar looks: your default view, the first day of the week, the date and time format, and the hour the day view starts at. Set the start hour to just before your working day so you don't scroll past empty night hours. Branding is where your public booking page gets its identity. Set the booking URL slug, that's the address clients visit. Then add your logo, page title, description, and primary color. You can also customize the confirmation message and the button clients see after they book. The Members tab controls who can be booked. Each team member gets their own booking page, and you can override their page title, tagline, bio, logo, and color, and choose exactly which services they offer. This is how one organization can host several very different booking pages. Policies are the rules that protect your schedule. Lead time is the minimum notice before a meeting can be booked. Schedule window is how far ahead clients can book. Cancellation window sets how late a client may cancel. And booking slot duration decides whether times are offered every 15, 30, or 60 minutes. The Notify tab controls who gets emailed. Staff notifications cover new bookings, cancellations, and appointment reminders for your team. Client notifications cover their booking confirmation, their reminder, and cancellation notices. Switch off anything you don't want sent. Categories let you color code the calendar. Create a category for each kind of meeting: a discovery call, an install, a support visit, and every appointment in that category is instantly recognizable on the calendar. The Emails tab holds the templates sent for confirmations, reminders, reschedules, and cancellations. Edit the wording to match your brand and drop in placeholders like appointment time or client name, which are filled in automatically when the email is sent. Next, open Services. A service is anything a client can book from you. Nothing appears on your booking page until at least one service exists, so this is the step most people miss. Give the service a name, a duration in minutes, an optional description and price, and pick a color. Turn on Requires Approval if you want every request to wait for your confirmation instead of booking straight into your calendar. Save and the service is live. Now, set your availability. Pick your local time zone, then switch on each day you work and set the hours. You can add more than one time block per day to build in a lunch break, and use Apply to All to copy a day's hours across the whole week. Only these hours are offered to clients, and anything already on your calendar is blocked out automatically. The Bookings button is your inbox for appointments. Pending shows anything waiting on approval. Upcoming shows what's confirmed, and Past keeps your history. From here, you can approve, reschedule, or cancel, and the client is emailed automatically. Setup is done. The My Booking Page button in the corner opens your live page. When it shows the live badge, your link is ready to share. Let's follow it and book an appointment the way a client would. This is what your client sees: your logo and colors, the name of the meeting, how long it lasts, and who they'll be meeting with. First, they pick a date. Only days inside your availability and your schedule window are offered, and they can move forward a week at a time with the arrows. Available times appear underneath, spaced by the slot duration you chose. Times you're already busy are struck through, and slots inside your lead time window are hidden, so nobody can book you in 10 minutes notice. Once a time is selected, it's shown back to them with the time zone, and they click Next to continue. Then they enter their details. Name and email are required, with phone and notes optional. Everything they type is saved against the booking, so you have the context before the meeting starts. And this is the final step. Clicking Confirm Booking creates the appointment, drops it straight onto your calendar, emails the confirmation to both sides, and schedules the reminders you set up earlier. That's the full calendar and booking setup. Configure your settings, add your services, set your hours, and share your link. From there, your clients schedule themselves.